Another video of the week starring Corey. Hey, dude, Whooper. Hey. We got him in a sleeveless t-shirt because it is warm today. What you doing? What you doing? Yeah? You gonna give me? Yeah, we're in a good mood today. Whoa, where you going? What? Yeah? What do you gotta say to Grandma? Say hi, Grandma. Say Grandma. Mama, say Grandma. He's bouncing back and forth. He's dancing, holding on to Mama here. Yeah. And Daddy is in the kitchen putting groceries away. But everything's painted in here. Isn't it all pretty? Yeah. We still have Corey's room to paint. It's still kind of blue. And we got the computer room to do. But oh, look. Let me show you the computer room. We'll follow Corey here as we go. Corey, you want to go to the computer room? Corey! Corey! He's like, I'm going to play with a cord. Let's go in the computer room real quick. No more computer desk. It's all gone. But you can see we painted this wall. But we have not painted that wall. We did the trim, but we have not painted that wall. It's prepped though. All the holes and stuff are spackled and stuff. But we got new blinds. Yay. Anyway, let's go say hi, Corey, again. What you into? Oh, you got the baby food, huh? You get the baby food? We got him a little motorcycle, and he sits and spins the wheel all the time. That's his big thing right there, is spinning that wheel. There he goes. He loves spinning that wheel. He's too big. He's too small for his legs to reach from the seat all the way to the floor when it's standing up, so he'll have to grow into it. Say hi to everybody back home. Yeah. Whoa. That's pretty close. Yeah. You playing with that, huh?
Yeah.
You try to climb up on me, huh? Nope, no climbing. No climbing. No climbing. Yeah. Oh, you think you're snuggly, huh? Hey, give me a huggy. Oh. I'm trying to hold the camera up. Yeah. He says hi. Alright.
That was high.
That was a high, alright. You're getting a little annoyed, I think. Oh, 3 minutes. We gotta kill this thing.